found my place, and it's me on top of the world. I am King Kong, drop the gate. I hear the chariot coming today. I am King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong.
Everybody get up.
I'm King Kong, beat my fist in chest. I don't feel the pressure, show the world the best. I endure the pain, let the gorillas out, ignore the change. Now all my yellas out, thou have forsaken me. Finally back making heat, cooking like a bakery. Now there ain't no breaking me down. Where my ancestors wish that they could see me now. I'm the best, no question, ain't no testing me. From the 80s, got this generation crazy. Cause good music rock, boy, you think I was with Shady. Shout out to my goons getting young money. Still I'm trying to get that old money. Oops, I mean that royal money. Haters these days are so funny. Ha ha ha. False spit, talking spit, blah blah blah. You can't beat me, why you gotta try? I'm a vain monster, Lady Gaga. And I ain't gonna lie, if I ain't get mine, I wouldn't be fly. I'll be back in the project hallways all day. Now I'm just lying, I would cry till I get mine. King Kong, King Kong, King Kong. I see the horizon where queens are dipped in gold and diamond rings are so fat. All my kings from every hood finally living good. We've come too far to go back, yeah. So drink up, drink up. We ain't promised tomorrow, we only promised this bottle of the finest Moscato, and I'ma live by that motto. I may just fly to Cabo, ding dong, ring the bell of a fabulous model. I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong. Top of the world, we are King Kong. Drop the gates, I hear the chariots coming today. We are King Kong, we're King Kong, we're King Kong, we're King Kong. King Kong.
The hollow sound is ringing where your heart used to be. Have you found that your admiration will never set you free? Get your life prepared, you're next in line for judgment day now. Are you praying, are you begging that your anyone else?
Guess who it is, it's the best in the biz. Ever be alert, cause they checking for the kid Henderson. Yeah, I'm back, just doing what I do. I'm bored with your games, I suggest you get a clue. Yeah, it's like they never knew, I can spit it so precise. Bet that I'm all up in their head like lice. I'll never take it back, I ain't taking your advice. And they know what I mean, motherfucker, cause I'm nice enough. Yeah, well I got what you need, and it might sound conceited, but I would not concede. I ain't fucking with rucks, and I'm way out of your league. I ain't messing with your scrubs, yeah, that's word that I can read enough. So close, motherfucker, I can taste it. Y'all don't see the vision, you should get some LASIK. Feeling so good, you could say I'm on that May shit. It came from the heart, so that's why I had to pace it.
I used to have your name scattered on the lips of the young. Now you claim that it's you on the tips of their tongue. And if you're proud of what you had to kill to get your thrill, well, I bet it stings to give up everything and realize that they don't want you. It's a lonely
play, something like a mascot. And I'm focused, treat me like an ascot. Coming for your neck, yeah, I'm coming for respect. I ain't fucking with your crew, you got jokers like a deck. What the fuck do you expect? For me to just resign while you decline, going circles like a Revon. I sat back, motherfucker, call that recline. Pay the cost to be the boss, no such thing as free time. Yeah, if you think I take a seat, but instead I'll make a beat. That's the way I make it heat. And I hit the ground running, you would probably break your feet. And I'm coming for the fame, motherfucker, watch me ski. And I remember when they didn't need me, now they